I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by signing into your Roblox account and confirming your email. This matters because unverified accounts face extra limits. Once logged in, check your birth year and existing parental controls so you know which settings are active. Now open Settings, then Privacy. You're beginning with the essentials that directly affect joining games. Make sure you can access the Privacy panel before we change specific permissions to allow friends or everyone. Once in Privacy, find who can join me and pick friends or everyone. Choose friends to stay safer, everyone when you need open access. You should also enable any Can Join Games with Me toggles and check that your friend list visibility matches your choice. If people can't see you, they can't join. If your account is under 13, you'll need a parent to sign in and change those controls because Roblox restricts some options for younger users. Save changes and log out, then log back in to ensure Roblox applies the new permissions. This forces the server to refresh your profile. Ask a friend to join your game or create a private server to test access immediately. If joining still fails, clear the app cache or browser cookies, update the Roblox client, and check your router NAT or firewall. Network restrictions often block multiplayer. If problems persist, contact Roblox support and provide your account details and the exact error message.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.